Welcome back to App Mentor. Today, let me show you how you can family share on Steam this 2024. First, let's open Steam and head to the support option. Go to your Steam settings, then navigate to the family section. Here, you will need to authorize library sharing on your device. You can select up to 5 users who can access and use the games in your library on authorized devices. This allows multiple devices to use the games you have in your library. Once you set this up, your family members will be able to access the games you've shared. And there you have it. That's how the family share on Steam. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.